Overcook! Why?
Where do I put these goodness?
Then just continue chopping stuff.
I'm gonna die.
Wait, what happened? Hi friends, my name is Penguin and today we'll be playing some Overcooked 2.
Yeah, I'm Lux.
And yeah, this is my girlfriend Lux. Select the chef. Oh, let's select chef. Let's see. Yeah, I think you can choose. You see, you can choose. Oh, there's so many new chefs. Who's this? She looks like some Disney character. I'm the blue one.
Oh, I'm the red one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
I kind of like this old woman.
she looks like some
She looks like
Disney
she's damn
character.
pro in cooking.
Okay, I'll choose her husband.
No, the guy looks so young. Come
He's
on.
Asian.
No.
Alright, I'm Asian, so alright. Yeah, let's aim for max stars all the way.
Max stars.
Yeah.
Actual events. Serious?
It's based on actual events, okay.
Is that real?
Just after tea time.
Fuck.
What do you mean it's dangerous? Don't be silly. I'll play as the onion. You play as the
Okay.
dog.
Okay, sure.
Okay, this book holds the secret to everlasting culinary greatness. In a large bowl, dissolve the sugar, spice, and everything nice. That's not public screen. Allow to prove.
Ralph!
I think I'm gonna summon some meatball again, like the first
Yeah,
one.
summoning or
A bread.
yeah, something dead bread. Oh, like zombie bread.
Rise. Oh no, the king is bad. Since when was he bad? No, this wasn't what was supposed to happen. It can't be. It's the unbread.
Unbread?
Undead.
Okay.
Oh no, if they bite me, I'm gonna become toast.
Okay, the storyline this time is like much more interesting than the first one. So far. Tough.
Okay,
My life.
you boil the pasta.
My life. I boy? No! Why do you change my role?
Because you were not doing well in
No, I need practice. You change my role. Okay, never mind. I'm here anyways. Okay, I'll boil the pasta and I prove that I'm a good pasta boiler. Let's go!
Alright, I'll fry the tomatoes and prove I'm the best tomato catcher.
What? Best tomato cashew.
Ketchup, mash ketchup.
Okay. Throw this on the floor. This good. Oh, I saw that. You try to put a raw one on the plate. You don't think I never see?
Also.
Come on.
No! Someone save her!
Oh my god, that scared me so much. Do you know you can die in this game?
Then you come back to life anyway. Wash the plates!
Oh no. Play. Oh no, there's the pasta! No, this is overcooking! It's gonna fire, this is trouble! What do you think? Okay. Oh no, what's this? Yeah!
No! Oh no! Are you okay?
No, I'm not! I hate this game! No!
Oh no!
I hate this game. I hate it. Wash the plate! You can't even wash the plate!
Where's my pasta? You burned the pasta.
Okay, have a quick here. Hey, what's this? No fire, you take for what? Aya, put down! Yes! I think I'm doing better though.
I'm not sure.
7 seconds. Balloon!
Gordon Ramsay.
No! Even you don't cook a hot air balloon.
He's diving. Oh, yes!
Oh yes!
Oh.
Sorry. Fuck.
Another hot air balloon stage, but I think we're gonna deal with more ingredients.
Again?
Yeah, for the pasta.
Goodness.
So
Nobody
it's
cooks
with
a
mushroom
hot air balloon.
pasta.
Nobody cooks a hot air balloon overcooked.
What if they give you a phone call? Oh no, salad! Alright, I'll do the lettuce, you do the tomato. You don't need pickles! It's okay, I will do that. You prepare that.
Wait, lettuce it.
Okay, we don't need.
Oh, why is that? Why is there like vibrations?
Yeah, of course you're in the hot air balloon.
Okay.
Yeah, everybody knows that. You're on the hot air balloon.
No, why will you vibrate on the hot air balloon? What's this? Why I can't cut this? Why you're not supposed to cut it?
Why is there something burning there?
Oh, you're not supposed to cut it.
There's something burning there. We need to save that thing, I guess. That's why there's a vibration.
Oh.
And there's more things burning, and I can't find the fire extinguisher. I'm stuck for very long looking for the fire extinguisher.
There's no fire extinguisher.
There's no fire extinguisher!
What's this thing?
Yeah. Oh no!
Wait, let's see.
It's
Oh,
blocking
it
my way.
disappeared by itself.
Oh!
Yeah, you just
I
distracted
just wasted.
us.
Oh no! There's lightning.
See that cook on hot air balloon lah, huh? Overcook teach you one.
Yeah, it's freaking dangerous. What are you thinking? They just sell it. Oh my god! Oh!
So it.
Okay, I literally did nothing.
We are risking
Okay,
our lives.
I'll just
in the air balloon. No, I can't put it on the top of this.
What? We need plates. Oh, I can't get across! No! That's literally. Oh my god! Okay. Alright, I'll wash. Do not! Oh my god. Oh my god, freaking fire! No!
You just kill yourself. And this
Oh, there's freaking obstacles everywhere. I can't move around that easily. Overcook! Why?
where do I put this? Goodness.
They're just continue chopping stuff.
I'm gonna die.
Wait, what happened? Why did we die? Oh, what?
What?
Oh, what?
Okay, let's continue. What the
What?
shit?
The
That's
map
so
just
cool!
Oh, I can't move. Why is my kitchen on fire? I can't move anywhere. Okay, this way, I guess.
Okay, that's so
The seaweed is moving. I can't move anywhere again.
Where's the plates?
Oh.
Where are the plates?
I'll get you plates. There's small plates here. The
Shit,
ingredients
I'm
are
supposed to
flowing
cut
everywhere.
the-
Why is there sushi ingredients but no sushi?
I have no idea.
Okay, ingredients are dropping down. We'll cook rice. Oh shit. This is hard. Oh no.
The camera just flew away.
Okay, we need to finish our salad dishes. Oh no. Oh, help. Why am I so noisy? Okay, focus. I can step on
Hey,
the
something
leg.
is cooking and it's burning. What's that?
Rice.
What is it? Oh, you're cooking. Where's it?
I don't know why I cook rice.
Come on, put it on a plate.
Okay, let's finish this salad dish.
I think we just ended on somebody else's kitchen
Oh no,
for making our salad.
the sushi orders are coming.
It's sitting so close to the screen right now.
Focus. Okay, try hard mode on. I'll wash plates. Chop tomato.
Come, put it in. Yes. Put it. Yes.
No more plates. Please, there's a cucumber.
Oh shit! I
this
threw
goes.
it in the bin.
I'll do it myself.
You need to
Oh,
plate.
oh shit, why did I throw the cucumber?
I told you you threw.
How did it throw? It's supposed to put there and chop. Got problem? Why are you throwing the cucumbers? Oh my god.
Oh, I chopped the cucumber.
Yeah,
you
but
put it in.
I can't. Oh, no, chopping that. Oh, you're so close. That's such a fun stage. I think let's stop here for today.
Let's see
Please.
how many stars you get. Hey, wait, we got 2 stars,
We got
right?
2 stars here.
Alright.
Alright, let's stop here for today.
Yeah.
And I'll see you guys in the next Overcook with my girlfriend, maybe. New series, gaming with my girlfriend. Goodbye, like and subscribe, it helped me out a lot. Like and subscribe, it will help me out a lot. And
Goodbye.
bye bye.